How to log into your Binance account on PC. In today's video, I'll show you how to log into your Binance account on PC. It's easy and simple. Now go to Google and type Binance like this. Now enter. Now after that, choose the official website. Now after that, click on, I will transform it or translate it to English. Just click on login. Now after that, you can enter your email or account email. Now if you sign up before with Google, you can continue with Google, or you sign up before with Apple, you can continue with Apple. Now for me, I sign up with my email, or if you have the phone number, you can enter here your phone number. Now after you enter your email or phone number that you registered with before, click on next. Now after that, they show you this way to access your accounts. If you set up already fingerprint, you can access to it, and if you set up with PIN, you can enter your PIN and access your accounts. If you don't set up any of those, you can enter the password. Now for me, I set up these two type of verification. Now we choose just PIN. Now I will enter the PIN. Now after that, you can access to your account. Now just click on this and whatever you want. Now as you can see, you can now access your account. So this is how to log into your Binance account on PC. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.